Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically create like joining stairs without using the really tall one because it's too tall in my opinion. So we are actually going to use the short stairs. So go to stairs and I am going to select, I'm going to try to find one where there's like the same kind of pattern in the wallpaper. So let's just do this. And I'm just going to color it black for both. And basically what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to add them. Oops. Not like this. Let me just place this one here. And then we're going to add a floor there. So I'll be right back on that. Let me just remove this one. So for this area, we're going to add some flooring. Then you can also add, but this is just an example. Then to kind of cover it up, hold on, let me change the flooring first. Okay, we don't have the same flooring really, so we're just going to use like the stone one. But try to like make it as similar as you can. Can't really see it though. But for the wall, it does kind of have to be a little bit similar. So we're going to go to walls. Keep forgetting where everything is. And like for instance, here on the first one, we're going to use the low wall. On the second one, we're going to do half wall. And then for this one, we are going to do low and then medium. Sorry, the half wall. To like kind of cover it up essentially. And then on this one, we are going to do, should we do like, is this enough? Half wall. Okay. Then for this one, whoops, we are going to do a full wall here. There we go. And this will only be the side that's shown. I think it's a little bit too high actually. So I'm going to remove these stairs and instead we're going to place the flooring here. Then we are going to match it as best as we can to the stairs. So we're going to use a brush here. I'll just use probably this one. Okay, there's no color to match that though, so we might have to use this one. Okay, that's good enough. If it looks like wonky like that, you do have to color the inside of it too. So make sure you do that because you'll see then the white like border around it if you don't. So do have to color the back side as well. Okay, you can't really see that one, so we're just going to leave that. Like so, and then you're just going to add some railings to it to make it a little bit more neat. Let's use this one. We're going to use the short handrail, of course. I'm just going to color it this color. I'm just going to go like that. And for this one, you can add like a fence. Have it like the same though, or else it's going to look weird. Like so. And that's it. This side is just going to be covered with the wall you've chosen. So yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click that thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.